right now, one of the reasons I think people are buying so many properties from at least from us, Heather, and it's a few of other companies who can do it still, is because you can still leverage, and we haven't turned upside down yet.
Yep.
Because when you're leveraged, you not only get the tax benefits and the cash flow benefits and appreciation potentially, although at this point I think I would probably count that one out. But you also get principal reduction. Mm-hmm. And so between now and whenever that inverts, where it's actually starting already with some properties, between now and when that inverts, and it's, you know, almost impossible to find properties that work on a leveraged basis, you can get that third return, which is a pretty substantial one. Mm-hmm. You know, it's between 3 and 6% a year, depending on what your loan is. Yeah. Pretty crazy amount of return.
It's always forgotten, really. That return is always forgotten.
And that's the reason why so many people, including, no, I'm just going to say that's why so many people are still buying real estate. It's hedge against inflation. It pays cash dividend. It has potential to increase in value. It gives you great tax benefit. And right now, still, someone else is paying off your mortgage, paying off the property for you. They're buying it, literally buying it for you.
And it's a physical asset. Like talking to my sister yesterday, and that money just evaporates and it doesn't come back. I mean, even if you burn the house down, you still own the land and you have insurance. So it doesn't just go up in smoke and never come back.
Right. I mean, you can't just, the stock market in general got hit, but before the stock market in general got hit, there were several companies that lost massive amounts of value because their CEOs did stupid crap.
Yeah. Yep.
That pissed off their customers and their investors. And because of that, no fault of yours, if you own their stock plummets. Yep. Right? I mean, you have a banner fourth quarter, and then first quarter sucks because they really hid what was actually going on in the company. Now the report comes out, tells you that, well, things weren't as rosy as we thought they were. Stock price drops. You didn't do anything. Nothing you did. It just happened, right? And some of those companies have been around for a long, long time. They will remain nameless, but you guys probably know who I'm talking about. So I'm just telling you.
Well, you could have a little bit too much to drink. The CEO posts on social media and your stock market plummets. Stock value plummets. I mean, it's
highly unlikely that if you have too much to drink and post something on social media, your house will lose value.
Yes.
It's highly unlikely. Now,
that deserved a clap. That was fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it could happen. It's highly unlikely that could happen.
Yes.
And maybe if you're a Supreme Court justice, your property might lose value because of all the picketers outside. But other than that, you're probably not going to lose value. So for anything that you post personally. So that's why people are buying. We're in a really weird time. Be careful, and be careful who you listen to. Things are never as easy as people make them out to be.